Hi beautiful, welcome back to another tutorial video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, and if you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Glory. In today's video we are making mini braids, and you guys know how I don't like to waste time, right? So this is how mini braids are made. This is how you can easily make your own mini braids at home without going to a salon, without spending money. Just make your hair yourself, that's the essence of this channel, to teach you how to make your hair on your own head without breaking too much of your bank account. I intend to leave my hair alone to just let it breathe on its own for about a month or so. I don't know if I'm going to change my mind on the long run though, but I'm still going to use these mini braids to make something else. I don't know what that is yet. So stick around, watch this video to the end. Please don't just watch 3 seconds and leave. Watch to the end. That's how you learn. That's how I learn. That's how I teach. So guys, watch this video to the very end. If you find this video really useful, subscribe. If you like what you're seeing, if you enjoy what you're seeing, please subscribe, okay? Please subscribe, please. I also have a tutorial video on how to make box braid with your natural fussy hair. I will leave the link in the description box, and I'll also link it to this particular video. So if you're interested in learning how to make box braid with your natural hair, you should also watch the video. Do let me know if you'll be trying out this hairstyle in the comment section. Leave comments behind, leave like an emoji if you don't want to type out something, you know. It's more like encouraging someone to keep doing something. Okay. And this is the end result, guys. Oh, I'm excited. I love it. I know you do too. I can tell. That's why you watched this video to the very end. Yep, this is my 4C natural hair, looking all kinky. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. Have a great week.